What's good, guys? You know it's a boy Caribbean Vibes cooking. So we're back at it again, you know. Dog the behind the screen today a record. You know, so we have some our subscriber them come both today again, you know. One of my youngest subscribers, she a follow the channel from before me even have 100 subscribers. So you know, today we are kick back with them and we are give them some stew beef with red stripe beer with some brown rice today. Just simple basic Jamaican food today, but I'm just a twist it with the red stripe beer. You know, maybe I first some people are gonna see it done.
Yes, peeps. To God be the glory, great things He have done. Good afternoon, peeps. Yeah, man, we're there live in living colors at Sweet River. Today we are doing stew beef with red stripe beer and brown rice. But you know, I don't eat beef, so I can want a little sea puss and I can 2 conch and make some brown stew conch same way. Peeps, yeah, man. Fully active. We're there back on the river again. One more great adventure. Yeah, man.
Yes, man. Clean your face for a little trap. Boy river, you know. Nature at its best. Everything nature provides for you, you know. So I hit where I use up, you know. Water kind of low. Because no rain don't fall much from home. Yeah. Dashi, this is another. Yeah, Dashi in this guys, see that? Yeah. Dashi. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Brina. Yeah, man.
I'm the Day 1 subscriber, you know?
Yeah.
So follow the channel, you have no sub.
Yeah. Real, man. And we say active fully.
Every time when I come up here so I can shoot video, I have to always come here so just I love hear the sound of the river. You know? This time I go actually go in the stream now. You guys can see. As you guys can see, as far as you can look, you see the water come out. Water come through. It's a beauty when you come out to nature, you know. Yes, man. As far as you guys can see, it's just all spring coming from the ground. You see? It's amazing, you know. And Caribbean Vibes Cooking Vlog, we appreciate the support. As you know, we can't do it without you know, guys. You know, really love the support, you know. And then as you guys can see, so we keep on giving you guys good content. You know, that's the main important thing about the channel, you know? Delivering good content. So everybody having a good vibes, you know. It's a blessing. See subscriber them. Time to time I come forward and link up with Caribbean Vibes Cooking, you know. And I really appreciate the love and the support from everyone. We take the time out to link up. Big up DJ Aloezy. And last week come through all the way from Old Harbour. Man, you know one thing when I always talk about Sweet River, the entire river always keep clean, even around the wider surrounding. You know, Brown Man plant up pop choy and callaloo. You know, as you guys can see them, callaloo. All natural pop choy. The one man little garden look good.
Yes, guys, you know, the ice of it drinks them, you know, make them stay cool. You know, yeah, man, you drink them, you know. You add in the water, them. Yeah, man, them put the ice and them stay cool.
Yeah, one of them say I broke up, it stick them, you know. But I use stick cook mother, how do we use cook people, you know?
Yeah, man, firewood, stick here cook.
Stick here and cook. Yeah, them
Hello,
like,
hello. Yeah.
Yeah, Caribbean vibes ladies.
Caribbean vibes, ladies.
Yeah.
Subscribe, guys, to the channel.
Peer vibes, fully.
Yeah, guys. So right now, we are clean up a beef. We are clean up a beef, you know. So I take off the unnecessary waste when I'm supposed to be on the beef. Yeah, man. Rasta they behind the camera today, guys. Today I want Rasta to eat stew beef, but Rasta say the water stew beef. But it's funny enough, everybody where they on the channel have something where they not eat. Cause Rasta not eat fowl, Rasta eat pork, me not eat pork.
Fully active.
Yeah, so I just saw you go.
Yeah.
Yeah. So after meat finish cut up, you know, mosquito people. Next step, you know, say I have to wash off the meat, right? And you know, say I have some white vinegar where I use. So we're gonna leave it for about 5 minutes, you know. And you know the vinegar helps to reduce the rawness. Yeah. Boss lady in the back, I prep season them.
Yeah, you know, I super season them.
Yeah.
The season everything well nice, you know.
Big to them, I have one of my little subscriber on the channel, you know.
Green and mommy.
Been following the channel long time, guys.
Yeah.
And man, I really appreciate the support that people are showing the channel from day one till now. You know, it take a lot of work. Yeah, man.
Yeah. So yes, peeps, you get on the pot now. You boil the sea puss and the conch. And throw in the water there.
Okay,
so we'll get a little salt tonight, you know, in the water. And a little vinegar in the water to cut the rawness from the conch and the sea puss. So we'll come up here now and let it boil up. Yeah.
And we also add some scotch bonnet pepper. And onion. And also we are going to season up with the all-purpose season, the meat season. Yeah, so now I'm going to add in the chop-up season, ginger, onion, scallion. And we also going to add a little piece of thyme in it. So powdered season, some garlic powder, all-purpose season with meat season. And we're going to add just a little bit of brown, and just to add a little darker color to the meat. Big up to Eve brown, one of the best brown to use, you know. Nice color along with good flavors in it. A little bit of soy sauce. Rub me and rub in. That's why I have to go eat some of this beef today anyway.
Oh, beef.
I said no beef.
No beef, Jed.
I want a little bit more eye brown, you know. It's still too white, you know. Yeah, big up to my nephew. I want to hopefully next week we'll be back on the vlog. You know. Busy doing schoolwork, you know. So proud of him, guys. Yeah, so that was season and taste, you know. Yeah. But me personally, because being a person who love cook and always a cook food, you know, you have a good judgment when it come on to seasoning, right, Rasta?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a good judgment, so we don't really have to taste, but just ensure that everything is perfect. We can do that.
Fully.
Yeah.
Oh.
So, yes guys, we're going to put in the sea puss, you know, otherwise octopus, something known as octopus. You get him skull off. And you have 3 conch alongside it too. So I add them in the water, the skull off. Yes guys, so yeah man. Some octopus and conch, stew beef, with some white rice, you know, and vegetable up.
Fully.
Look your finger going there.
Oh.
Yeah man, you're adding some garlic, you know. Let me explain time on time, he's a person who loves garlic. You know, garlic is good. Yeah man, nice.
Fire red.
You know, only give your food nice flavor, but it is healthy, eh? Ah. So you're adding a beef piece, as you guys can see. Now to say fire up. That's a plan to kill me off with the fire today.
More fire was there.
No sir. People don't help me much.
Why have you run for it?
Backside.
Why have you run
Now
for
one. Now heat one. Heat.
After behind the camera.
Yeah. And one so we are turn the beef. Yeah. And then we are going to cover because you know typical meat it are going to produce its own liquid. So if I produce it liquid and then dry down and actually start hitch, then that's when I go add the red stripe beer. So I go start add flavor as soon as possible towards the beef.
Yeah peeps, I get the rice pot seasoning. Put in a few seeds of pimento seed and green pepper, 2 stalks of scallion, piece of bell pepper, some chopped up onion, 3 cloves of garlic. Yeah man. Put the brown rice salt out. I'm going to add some salt in it. Yeah man, and adding piece of thyme, adding a piece of butter, liquor and Maggi season. Yeah man, I left that to boil up. When it boil up now, we wash the rice and put it in.
Yeah man, so I check on the beef, so it actually dry down, you know, and we cover as explaining before, making beef produce its own liquid. And I add some pimento seed, you know, add flavor. Yeah. You hear that? Yep. One Caribbean vibes with a difference, you know. See the Jamaican red stripe beer. Yes. Rice pot a bubble up, you know. I wash the rice, you know. I use some brown rice today. You know, parboiled rice. Strain off the water. As you can see, rice water well seasoned up. And full of flavor. Yeah. We also add a Scotch bonnet pepper, a green one, And as you know, Scotch bonnet pepper is not only hot but it's full of flavor, you know. And that will help to enhance the flavor of the rice. Yeah man, people, all me I say, wow. You can smell the flavor of the beer, you know. Popping of the stew beef. Yeah man, as you see. Brand new plate, Caribbean Vibes cooking. You know, see that? Yeah man, big up Rasta, you do a good job, bro. Yeah man, because the space run out, as I never want to vlog one night because it's still not going to make no difference to the vlog on night. So you know, you see Caribbean Vibes cooking, you know. Yeah man.
Yeah, so I'm going to season up the seafood and the conch. Get it seasoned up, go up on the fire. So I get in a little, I put in half an onion, a stalk of scallion, a piece of pepper, and 2 clove of garlic.
Rasta nervous today, you see that?
Ah.
Man, beef you ever eat today, man.
No beef around here, straight. So I get the all-purpose season on it. A little garlic powder, some pimento seed, and a great Maggi, all-purpose. I put a little tip of brown in it, because you know, all the while I always a curry or a steamy conch. A long time I don't eat some brown stew conch, so there's a tip of little brown in it. Yeah, brown in it.
The man.
Yeah.
So, Eve brownie, remember say best brownie, you know.
Sometimes I think you know,
Yeah,
sometimes.
tick.
I get a little soya sauce, man. So we're going to mix in the season. Can smell the flavor. Nice seasoning. Just true seafood spinach with conch. Fully.
Hi guys. Go over to Caribbean Vibes and subscribe on YouTube.
True.
Best
Fully.
food. You know, say food I'm going to later.
Yeah man, out, you know, stew conch and stew beef. Rice.
Yeah, man.
Yeah man, brown rice.
Boy, this can't eat same way. You can't eat same way now if you put on the fire. Alright, tell me I tell you. Now put on the fire. You can taste the spice, the herb, the seasoning. Fully active.
Yes, so I re-season the beef. So first I add some carrots, Irish potato, onion, chopped scallion, bell pepper and tomato. You know? Beef really soft, so I just go allow them to cook for another 5 minutes. And then can take off. Some people don't add tomato ketchup in it, but I don't really add no tomato ketchup because every meat produces them own flavour. I want to get the natural flavour from the beef. You can actually taste your beef. So we add a little bit of margarine. You know, and this will allow the beef to enhance the flavour of it, you know. Yeah. So just wait for it to dry down, just a little bit more.
Yeah. Team out fully.
Yeah.
Outside.
Yeah.
I wait for the pot right on my
Brina, all the drinks break.
First
Start now, Brina, you're perfect talk. Oi.
I'm going to camera girl.
Try out, man.
Yeah man, I look a subscriber for that channel now.
Long time, darling.
Big up Brina.
First give
Fully
me
active.
We get mass brainer.
Yeah.
Trying a COVID then time then, yeah.
Alright.
I subscribe and
Fully.
follow.
Yes, peeps. Watch it. Shelly brown rice. Oh my word. Can smell the flavor that come out of the brown rice. Yeah man. Can't wait for the pot come up. If in peace, I don't want to put beer in a film beef. Beer are going in my conch too. And my seafood. Everything beer today. Fully active we say everything beer today.
Live and live in colors.
Yeah, man.
No fake beer around here, real beer. Up. Yeah, man.
Vibes, we're out. Yeah, man. Fully active. We're the team out. One more, bang again. Boom. Yes, peeps, so get in the sea puss and the conch. And I pat you now. Yeah. Eat a stir. So I'm going to add in the carrot and the Irish because the conch and the sea puss, it's soft, so we don't want the so we'll get in the it will take about 5 minutes already. So meanwhile already conch, the carrot and the Irish is ready same time, so we get the re-season in the next 5 minutes. Lock it up and I'll make it go on simmer. The next 5 minutes we're ready. Can re-season it. So I'm going to add in the red stripe beer in my conch and sea puss. I was just today a beer day today. Everything beer. And my wife a beer.
Yeah, man. Big up, you know. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Out, you know. Some stew conch, you know, with some beer night and a beef alongside the season with some beer night and some brown rice, you know. Yeah, man. Out.
Yeah, man. Fully active.
Fully active, you know.
Please, I'm going to add a little piece of butter in my conch to enhance the flavor. That's what I say. How we say, flavor to taste, or taste to flavor. Oh, yeah, man, how we say that, man. But so we tell us how we put the C in our cooking. Caribbean Vibes cooking vlog. Boom. Yeah, man. I tell the peeps right now. I take a pot around in the Gova bush. Time I get my conch today. A beef I have to eat today. Beef. My conch and sea puss, and me alone I eat have it. That's tasty. Yeah, man, it'll come, man. Just want a little more, we're going to re-season it. The conch not too tough, you know. Soft, look how sea puss. And the conch my inside conch, so they're soft. Yes, I'm going to re-season the conch, you know, not too, the conch is soft. Can't make it out too much. Now add in a piece of half a bell pepper, or half an onion, and a little piece of pepper. You see Caribbean Vibe Bash? Watch your peeps. Caribbean Vibe Bash. Caribbean Vibe still around, we say. Add in a little fish and meat sauce tonight. Eat a stir. A little more Maggi. And leave it to simmer for about 5 more minutes and then you're ready. Boss lady at the cover.
No more, I make a look at taste, you know. And see how it's going with it. Yeah, man, guys, you want to come taste this? But I have a whole pot of so. Just because she puts to know, sir.
No, I don't want to taste it in a taste of one like that. I'm going to top taste, you know.
Alright.
I don't want to taste it.
Yeah, man, good guy, man, sure.
Boise. I look at peace and I look at peace and fish.
Yes, peeps, we're out for the Sunday. Yeah, peeps, no other one tomato in it. Tell her, Pop, watch your color, good color. Nice, look at dark color. Yeah? Add a little tomato ketchup in it. See me? I'll put too much right overpowered. Let that simmer down for about 2 more minutes and it's ready. Because people don't wait for the food, they can't wait. Stew beef with brown rice. And stew conch with brown rice with red stripe beer. Peeps. Here's what we need for the potato Sunday. Yeah man, nice Sunday dinner. Here's some over there. Yes peeps, the boat reach Alana now. So we're gonna dock off and I'll start share. Yeah. Oh man, royal rice, one of rice, pretty and shelly.
Yeah man, over here wait for the food. I can't wait for the food sharing, bro. Come, just do the right thing, yeah. Active for the food right now. Worm them a ball out, you know. Nah, lie.
You worm them always a ball.
Yeah.
Don't me a lick my
I know it's
that them
process.
get tonight now.
Yeah, wait, bro. Best food, you know. Jamaican Vibe cooking vlog. Best meal.
Yeah peeps, how we say cooking now.
5 every share man, 5 plate. I eat out and I go there better.
Alright, put it in there. Rinse it up if you want.
Boss lady, rinse up and go there.
Put it in the car. And I might watch me. The boy drop a bash catch, you know what man.
I hear drop a bash man. Tell the people them say yo, I hear drop a bash man. Guys, we get one big calabash and I say the man drop the calabash and one side you couldn't get out of it.
I don't want to get no tight. I'm don't want to eat out of Caribbean Vibes cooking bash. Come with it. Yeah?
Yeah man, I earth me come from you know, so water, you know.
I see the milk like a piece of egg. What's it
I wanna that me eat out of today.
What's it now?
Yeah.
You see that? Big hole up, goody.
Man, come like you want to take a whole pot of food.
I want go and share man.
Bumba!
Tap you, fully.
Fully.
Yeah.
Fully active, man.
Tap it right there, sir. I left him a drop him a load with the rice today. We can eat that.
Fully active, man. I get the meat share with you know. And I know the beef look pretty, you know. Yeah, tell you lie. Beef look pretty. You not make this a beef. You never make none.
Nah man, rasta love eat none of them a beef.
No, you know it's a beef, you know.
Ballhead food is a better.
Sure, John. And smell the flavor in that beef, John. Oh my word. Yeah, man, I can't smell the flavor in that beef. Remember my boy I eat beef. My stepfather a butcher man, you know. The amount of them I see him eat. And I'm growing up. So, let me tap it here now. No problem. Yeah, so I get the vegetable on it. You plate them. Creativity. Why try something? Hey. Oh my world. Look how food pretty. Good. Catch pretty food. That one. Top size seafood everybody wants to know. So we're going to give them a top size seafood and our peeps. Alright, Paddy. Yeah. Guys, then come to eat them beef. And make me seafood and come. Everybody say they want to mix. But this is how I stay. Means I give you all the whole pot of it. So I just going to mix up everything.
Give me whole pot of come.
No. Everybody get a taste out of it. Yeah, man. Everybody get a taste out of it. Everybody I get a taste out of it. Yeah, peeps. Good. Yeah, look at the juice on their rice. Alright, get the fat now, yeah. Yes, peeps. Pan quality food. I get in it and tell now it tastes. Oh my word. Can't better. Nice.
The rice I drop out time one more guys.
Oh my word, I tell the peeps. Food nice. See that? Caribbean vibe that we say cook it. Boom.
Take time the one. Yeah man, I know what kind of little bit of food this Rasta give me. What kind of little bit of food this man? Watch out. Guys, you can taste the flavor of the red stripe beer and the smoke from the wood get another flavor again, so you know.
Yeah.
And I tell you some man, it's like a breath of fresh air, something to talk about.
Yeah.
I want to see that.
Second rounds in the pan.
Second round.
Yeah, Brina.
Nice man.
Brina shy, you know. Shy one. Yeah.
Food nice man.
Last lady, what God?
No man, you want a baka.
Real one. Chrissy.
We're getting there.
Yeah.
Almost finished.
Fully active. Wait, one.
Yes guys. We're gonna have to eat, you know.
Boss lady on the second rounds.
Yeah. So now I really get this. When everybody eat these. I wash off a spoon, and, you know. The rest all look more rice.
You could have asked that. I'm going to start with it.
We really mess with video, you know. Yeah guys, so I'll get the next spoon of rice now. Right now.
Come here.
Come in, when I subscribe, I say she want more rice.
Yeah. Food nice, I will eat it twice.
That good? They have to give her, you know. They enjoy themselves as well.
Some give up on the rice. Me, that's alright.
Yeah.
Eat. Nice, I
Yeah,
will
man,
eat it
so,
twice.
guys, let's take a look more enough right
Fully.
now. Yeah man, this is good enough.
Alright.
Must be a few drinks.
Peeps, I do want to go on the second rounds. I tell you that. The plate that trick me. Yeah man, the bash trick me. Put too much in there. Can't go on the next second round. That job. Can't go on. I'm gonna drink it. Oh my word. Nice. Belly full.
Put in front of your belly. So
Yes, peeps. It was a wonderful day.
I want to hear Rasta, why you scratch up yourself?
I don't know if I don't know what me touch, but if they say courage, why?
Call it dog.
It give me a fight.
Courage to call it
It
dog.
give me a fight.
Courage to call it dog.
belly full, belly full.
Enjoy your time here, man.
Enjoy
Belly
it.
full.
But
Your
one
boss.
thing, we never carry no swimsuit.
Next
so
time.
we can't swim. So that will probably cool on the little body and it was very nice. But we kind of high, we drink and we're nice. We never want no weed, but we just drink some rum stuff. We're good.
So yes,
Kinda
please
high.
have a blessed Sunday evening.
Yeah. Right,
Remember to
nice.
like, share,
Share and
subscribe. Boom.
Yeah,
And we
man.
say active.
Respect.
Oh,
Oh, yeah. Yeah, there.
Yes, peeps. I know we out now. Home and all, we want vibes. I don't know what things that we say out. We say Karen vibes the world. Yeah, man. People that eat and full in belly, body feel good. Yeah, man. A blessed Sunday evening to you all. Blessed love, everybody.
The one thing I love, we keep on making new hits, new ideas to people
Yeah.
when it come on to cooking, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like for example, being a Jamaican, there's so many ways on how to bring forth food towards the world,
Yeah.
you know, and like for example, many persons are the first them actually see, like the beer cooked down with the stew beef cooked down with red stripe beer,
Yeah.
and like it give a different vibes, it give a different flavor when it come on to the beef. Even with the conch and the octopus, it give a different, cause with you we eat it we add the beer to the octopus. You cause remember say you know eat beef.
Yeah.
So you can testify again about it when it come on to the beer. It's like it had a different flavor.
Yeah.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, you have a different flavor man. For real man. Yeah man.
Guys, the Rasta out there, so Rasta you not jump off. Never bring no clothes. Yes. Come now, if you not jump off, remember say you want to ask the man, you know. I'll come bro, I'll come. Yeah guys, so I actually asked my person who play the music. Yeah, 1 minute so we can shoot some content soon. Dog will catch a rock real here.
Yeah. I'm gonna jump off now.
Come in, man.
Come on, ready?
Yeah man, go to one, go to one. Yeah man, like, comment, share guys, subscribe.